Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, I'm Courtney and on this channel I create makeup tutorials, eyeshadow tutorials and all that sort of content, and if you want to see how I created this stunning soft glam, then keep on watching this video. So here is my beautiful client Summer, and today we are going to be creating this really soft smoky glam, perfect for prom, perfect for graduation and perfect for bridesmaids or just one of those soft glam night out looks. So first of all, I'm prepping her skin with a really nice moisturizer, just getting all up in her skin so her skin has fully absorbed all that really good nutrients. We want to create a really nice moisturized base. And now we are just brushing through my client's brows and going in with the PRIMARK brow pencil in dark brown. This is a really affordable and really good product. If you want something that's going to fill the brows in really easily but cost next to nothing, the PRIMARK brow pencils are really good. And then I'm going over that with the PRIMARK tinted brow gel in dark brown as well, and this will just fix the brows hairs in place. I am then going in with my Radiant Creamy Concealer in vanilla just to block out my client's eyes and lay a really nice tacky base down for the eyeshadows to stick to. And I'm just making sure that's blended across the entire lid so that any discoloration is cancelled out by that concealer. I'm then going in with the MUA Cosmetics eyeliner in rich brown just to make a base for the liner shape for this eye look. It's always helpful to lay a base shape down and then blending that out slightly with a small brush and then setting the entire lid with a nude colour eyeshadow in the shade Nothing Else from the Beauty Bay nude palette just to block out and set all of the concealer across the lid. I'm then going in with this soft warm brownie shade, almost like a cinnamon shade, and it's called Raw Sienna, just to build up some warmth in that outer corner to start building some depth with the lighter brown tones. I'm then deepening that with the shade Cinnamon and bringing that inward slightly to the inner half of the crease to start building up some colour in the inner crease without making depth. And I'm just continuing to build up that depth in the outer corner of the eye because we want to elongate the eye shape by creating that angular look in the outer corner of the eye. So we're deepening the outer corner of the eye and leaving the inner half quite bright. I'm then taking the shade Take a Hike, which is a slightly darker, more cool tone brown shade to start building depth up in the area where we laid down that dark brown eyeliner. And then I'm going in with the shade Delicate just to set the brow bone area. And in with Hot Cocoa, which is another dark brown shade, just to really start building up the outer corner of the eye. We're almost creating this V shape in the outer eye just to really elongate and pull that eye shape out towards the temple. And then going in with the shade Take a Hike once again to really deepen up the lash line without being too harsh. We're not actually using any black tones here, but we want to create a natural depth. And then I'm going in with an even darker shade. This is the darkest brown you can get without being black, just to really deepen the eyeliner area. I'm then going in with the COLORFIX foil in Nebula, which is a beautiful gold shade, just to start building up some of that glittery look in the inner half of the eye. I'm then applying the NYX glitter glue into the inner half of the eye, and this is going to be the base for our Doll Beauty Pigment in Poppin Candy, and this is the start of the look. It's a beautiful champagne colour and it will really draw attention to your eyes and it will pick up really good underneath any lights or in the sunlight, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, you can see what we're doing here. We're going back and forth between the same colours just to build up depth and really blend all those shades together without being too harsh. And I'm really accentuating the depth of the lash line here, but we don't want it to be too harsh because we don't want that heavy eyeliner look. And then I'm just cleaning out any fallout from that glitter because we don't want that to mix in with the foundation or the base. And then I'm just going in with the Collection Cosmetics Filter Finish Complexion Boosting Primer in Fair. And this is just going to create a really lovely, glowy, long-lasting, all-day wear base with also creating that really nice dewy look. This isn't going to look sweaty or greasy, but it's just going to give you that really nice summer glow from within. And then I'm going in with my client's foundation shade, which is F3 from the Revolution Pro Foundation Drops. These are really good products just for all day wear that are medium to full coverage buildable, that aren't heavy. They're really good if your client sweats a lot or if they are prone to creasing, because this product is very lightweight. It doesn't sit too heavy on the skin and it's not going to irritate your client at all or, as I said, feel too heavy on the skin. So it's a really good product for those types of clients. And then I'm just going in with my NARS Laguna bronzing cream in the cheekbones, around the forehead, snatch that nose with some of that contour, and don't forget the jawline because we want to create a very unison and sun-kissed glow. And here I'm going in with my Made by Mitchell blushes in Very Berry and Candy Trip. These are a really good cool tone mixture. Candy Trip brings in that glitter, glittery, summery, vibrant look, and the Very Berry is a beautiful cool tone. And then I'm highlighting underneath my client's eyes with the Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. This is just going to brighten the under eye area and erase any depth from any under eye bags. I am then just patting in that underneath the eyes and setting it with a small brush and the I Heart Revolution Peach Powder. This is just that we don't pack too much underneath the eye so it creases. And then I'm going on the rest of the face with the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. This is a slightly darker powder, so it's going to bring a little bit more warmth back into the face, but it's not going to be too yellowy or too heavy or too orange, because you don't want to set the client's face with something that's too dark and give them a line and make them look tangoed. I am then just going over where I applied the cream bronzers with the same shade in a powder bronzer, just to really accentuate the depth of the face. And then I'm setting the entire face with the Revolution Fixing Mist and going in with my favourite combination of blushes, which is the NARS blush and the Kiko blush. The NARS creates a really nice base and the Kiko just gives it a little bit of a glow. And then I'm just going back in with that eyeliner on the lower lid just to deepen the outer half of the eye. And then we're just doing the exact same colours on the upper lid onto the lower lid. So we're starting off dark to accentuate the lash line, and then we're slowly going from darker to lighter to blend out those shades into my client's natural skin tone. Just using smaller brushes in this area so it doesn't go muddy and you don't blow out the eyeshadows too much. It can create extra depth on the lower lid of the eye and actually accentuate the eye bags. I'm then just applying the shade Starry Eyed into the inner half of the lower lid and into the inner corner of the eye just to add a little bit of highlight. And then I'm going in with my favourite eyeliner, which is the SUVA Beauty HYDRA liner in Doodle. This is a split liner which has white and black. I'm then going in with the black and creating this subtle wing, and then over that I'm going in with the liquid eyeshadow in Quartz by Beauty Bay. This is just a beautiful brown, black, shimmery liquid eyeshadow, and that's just going to accentuate that liner. I am then just bringing the liner into the inner corner of the eye to create that very sultry, smoky inner point. And my client is then applying that into her waterline herself. Always give the client the option to do this themselves, because some clients aren't comfortable with you getting that close up to the eyeball. I'm then just setting the entire face with the Makeup Revolution Dewy Fixing Mist, and then applying this beautiful silvery gold tone across the whole face just to highlight those high points of the face. Then my client is applying her mascara. Once again, always offer the option for your clients to apply the mascara themselves. And then I'm applying the MUA Cosmetics lip liner in TLC. This is a beautiful nude tone. You want it to be slightly darker than the client's natural lip tone, just to accentuate and overline the lips slightly. And then I'm going in with the NARS Powermatte Lip Pigment in Get It On, which is a very nice nudie brown shade, just to fill in the lips. And then I'm going over that with the LA Girls Clear. And there we have it. That is the Soft Glam Smoky makeup tutorial. I really hope you like this look. This look is definitely perfect for prom, graduation, escort, bridesmaids, all those sorts of events. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!